Hi, and welcome to Simply Mehnaaz. I'm so happy you're here. In today's vlog, we're leaving the busy streets of Delhi behind and heading to my maternal village. Our journey begins early in the morning. My mommy made lunch and we left as soon as we were done eating. The drive became quieter as the city slowly gave way to open roads and green fields. The village markets are always bustling with people. Life feels a little slower here, and that's exactly what makes it so special. I love every time I visit my grandmother. This is my mother's mother. Her presence in this house makes it worth visiting every time. I woke up in the morning and had a warm bowl of milk as my grandmother made preparations for lunch. I have reached at the top of my terrace, and as you can see, the view is really pretty. That's a mosque. I think that might be the closest mosque to my house here. And just look at this view. There's houses close to each other, but there's also plenty of trees. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Every summer when I was a kid, me, my siblings, my cousins, all of us would come to my grandmother's house and we would sleep here. Right here on the floor, we would put down some tarps, some traditional blankets, thick quilts, and we would all say stories, ghost stories to each other before falling asleep, which obviously hindered in the process of falling asleep. But it was always a good time with my cousins. It still is, just that we've all grown up and nobody comes up here anymore. So that's where the stairs are. That's where I came from. This is a small room in here. It is used sometimes when a lot of us cousins gather together. We clean this up together, we spend time here. My young cousin was so excited to decorate the salad plate for us. My grandmother prepared a traditional yet very simple dessert. It is a plate of rice with a layer of powdered sugar and a couple spoons of melted ghee. My grandmother makes some of the best food in the entire family. After dinner, we relished on some desi mangoes. This is the Chausa mango variety. You can just squeeze the flesh out and enjoy it. Next morning, I had some chai with a couple of rusks. What we love to do is to soak the rusks inside chai completely and then just break them with a spoon and eat them. After the light breakfast of chai and rusk, my brother and I have set out to go back to Delhi. This is the Aravalli Hill Range, not too far from my village. It got formed about 1.5 billion years ago, making it older than the Himalayas, and likely the oldest mountain range in India. After reaching Delhi, my brother and I went to Oishii restaurant and we got some Asian food. We were starving, and this food looked so delicious. We ordered chicken udon noodles, sushi, and chili chicken baos. Everything was so good. Later same evening, I was to meet some friends, so I took an auto rickshaw to the metro station. And I did something I'd never done before. I took the Delhi metro on my own for the first time. Honest, I was a little nervous at first, but it turned out to be a smooth and memorable experience. We met, talked, and had kebabs and a nice pesto pizza for dinner. The evening metro ride was even better.